rhythm, it's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
Nobody believed him. Not when he started, not when it looked incomplete, not when people were already judging the outcome. But now something is changing, because what you're looking at was never just a building, and what Colaz is doing right now is bigger than most people realize. Stay with me, because the story is not what it looks like. At first glance, you might think this is just another project, another unfinished structure. But what most people are missing is this: what's being built behind the scenes. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this might be one of the smartest moves Colaz have made. Every big idea looks questionable in the beginning. Before the final look, before the success, before the results speak, there's always that stage where people say, "This not going anywhere." And right now, that's exactly where this project is, unfinished. And people easily criticize. But here's the difference: most people stop here, visionaries don't. And what's happening behind the scenes right now is what separates this from just another build. While some people are focused on what this place might become, they're missing the bigger picture. People are working, skills are being learned, money is moving. This isn't just construction, it's economic activity. Because every project like this creates ripple effects. Workers get paid, families benefit, experience is gained, and in today's environment, that matters more than ever. But this didn't come easy, and this is where most people would have walked away. Building anything from scratch comes with pressure, delays, setbacks, opinions from people who aren't even involved. And the biggest one, being judged before it's finished. Because unfinished work always get criticized. But here's what separates leaders from followers: they continue anyway, even when it doesn't look impressive yet. The outcome isn't guaranteed. People don't understand the vision. They keep going, and Colaz, he's still building. And that level of consistency is what most people struggle to maintain. Now take a closer look. The location, the elevation, the view. This is not random. This is planned. Colaz is a very strategic person, because when you build in a space like this, you're thinking long term. You're thinking attraction, experience, value, and business. And regardless of what the final use becomes, the structure itself holds potential. That's what people are starting to notice. Not everyone sees the vision at the beginning, but everyone sees it when it's complete. So, what's the real takeaway here? It's simple. Don't judge too early, because behind this project, people are getting opportunities. Work is being created. Something is being built from nothing. And that alone is worth paying attention to. So, the next time you see something unfinished, don't rush to criticize it, because what looks incomplete today could turn into something powerful tomorrow. And Colaz, he's not finished yet. If you respect consistency, if you respect people building from the ground up, drop your thoughts in the comments. Because one thing is clear: not everybody understands the process until the results show up.